Hello, my dear student. So today we discuss a very important topic in our NEET medical syllabus, that is the allergy. But at first we discuss what are the allergies and what is their symptoms and what is the main reason behind the allergies. And some questions, that is MCQs questions, that is came from the allergies, that is also we are discussed in our these topic videos. Number one, you know the allergies. Sometimes you are gone to a new place. That time suddenly you started the sneezing and wheezing. But what is the reason behind it? For no ultimately explained reason. But it is the for the allergy. You know, some of us are very sensitive to some particles in the environment. That is the cause of the allergy. The sensitive some particles like the pollen grains, like the mites, it is the allergens. That means this is the cause the allergy, right? And next we discuss about that. What is the allergy? Allergy is the aggregated response in the immune system. You know that different type of response are happening in our immune system, but allergy is one of them. But in that particular type of allergies, certain antigens present in our environment and our immune system are react on it. That time it is called the allergy. So the MCQ point of view, the allergy is a response of the immune system for the certain antigens. But the certain substance, the substance are called the allergens. So allergens are the substance which is responsible for the allergy development. When some allergens are go inside your body, that time a antibodies are formed. This is a special type of antibodies that is responsible to the allergic reaction. Which is of this antibody? That is the IgE antibodies. That is very important question for your MCQ and NET point of view. So now we discuss some common example of the allergens. Some common example of allergens like the mites in dust or like pollens, like animal dander. It is some common example of the allergens. You bear in mind. MCQ point of view, that is very important, some example of the allergens. But what is the symptoms of the allergic reaction? Now we discuss very important, one by one given in your MCQ topic, the symptoms. Like most common symptoms, that is the sneezing, watery eyes or the running nose. And sometimes person suffer in difficulty in breathing. So this is a different symptoms. You understand it? Very easy but very important. But allergy are due to the release of some chemicals. What is these chemicals? This is the responsible for the allergic development. That is the histamine and the serotonin. That is the most important two chemicals which is responsible for the allergic development. But this type of chemicals are secreted from which cells? The mast cell. You bear in mind the mast cells. It is the most important cell which is involved in the allergic reaction, and it is produced the histamine and serotonin which is responsible for the allergic development. You know, therefore, how you determine the allergy? When sometimes a person suffer in the allergy and they go to the doctor, and doctor are try to determine what is the cause of the allergy. But how? They find out the cause of the allergy. That time the patient are exposed or injected to a small dose of the allergens. When the allergens is ultimately injected in the patient body, you know That time the reaction is ultimately studied. What type of symptoms and development? After that, the doctor decided the what type of allergens are responsible for the allergy. But what is the treatment? Some treatment also there to treat the allergies. Most commonly, some drugs are used, like the antihistamine drugs, like the adrenalines and steroids, some hormones that is used to treat the allergy. MCQ point of view, that is a very important question. Like, what is the treatment of the allergy? Number one option, antihistamine drug. Adrenal is second option, and the steroids is the third option is there. So that is a very important MCQ, may come in your NET exam. This type of drugs, when ultimately used, that time the symptoms are reduced. But somehow the modern day, the lifestyle has resulted in lowering the immunity. Our lifestyle has changed in recent some years, and the pollution also be increased in very tremendously. For that reason, lifestyle result in the lowering the immunity. And the more sensitivity to the allergens, more and more children in the metro cities like Bangalore, like Calcutta, that time they suffered the more common some allergies, some asthma. Why? Because due to the sensitivity of the environment. But why this type of children in the metro cities, why they are suffer of the allergy? Because they could be because they are protected environment provided in the early life. So the immunity power is not developed properly in that metro cities children. So they are suffered some allergies. That is the most important some aspect in the allergy, which is very, very important in our NET syllabus, right? So you understand the what type of MCQs question are come from that point. Okay. So if you understand in this topic, please you write down in the comment section, and how you are how I think you about the allergies, what is some aspect of the allergies, of any doubts, you write down in the comment section. So thank you very much all of you. Thank you. Bye. Take care.